Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to discuss a topic that is about medical exam for your spouse sponsorship application for Canada. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask guys. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So lot of people are asking like if they can go for this exam upfront or sometimes while the application is in process. So if you check the checklist of this application, it says that you don't have to go now. You should go when they tell you. But if you have already gone within a year, you can include the number. Now, how it works is really important. Like when everything is ready, when your fee and other factors have been determined, you have got the security clearance, everything, then comes like the stage of issuing the visa to you, and at that time they as for the process they issue you a visa that's gonna, I mean the visa to travel, that's gonna be a single entry visa. It's gonna be like 1 year from your medical exam. So this is the real thing that you need to understand. Like if you have gone already, or if you do it before you submit your exam, you can fill that section. But what if the processing doesn't reach that stage, especially during this pandemic? Then what's going to happen? You're going to go for re-medical, because if the duration is not sufficient, or if the exam is expired already, they may say okay, go for the exam again. So although like there is no harm you see, but wastage of money. Then next comes is like if you do in between, and when they ask you to submit the exam, you send the receipt. Again, it can be updated, but I would not recommend this, because as I said that this is going to happen from 1 year uh, from the date of the medical exam. So why to reduce your chances? Because even after submitting your medical report, even after going for the medical exam, you have no control that after how many days your visa is gonna come. So why to do something that's gonna reduce your duration? Ultimately it's your decision, but if I am in that shoes, I will not go um, until they ask me to do in my spouse sponsorship application. In some applications like in express entry, they tell you to go upfront, so that's fine. Like just follow their instructions, whatever they say. But when they say that you don't have to go now, then follow that as well. This is what my suggestion is. This is just a suggestion. The ultimate decision will be yours. Thanks for watching guys.